Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Chime card spending notifications step by step clearly. To begin, open the Chime app on your mobile device. Log in with your account credentials if prompted. Once you're on the home screen, locate the settings option at the bottom right corner. Tap on settings to access your account preferences. Scroll down to find the notifications section. Tap on notifications to view your notification preferences. Here, you will see various notification options related to your card spending. Look for the option that mentions spending notifications. Toggle the switch to enable spending notifications if it is not already enabled. Next, choose how you would like to receive these notifications. You may see options for push notifications or email alerts. Select your preferred method of notification. Once you've made your selections, be sure to save your changes. You will typically find a Save button at the bottom of the page. After saving, exit the settings to return to your home screen. Now, test your notification settings by making a small transaction with your Chime card. You should receive a notification shortly after the transaction is processed. If you see the notification, you have successfully set up spending alerts. If not, double-check the settings to ensure they are enabled correctly. You're now ready to manage your spending with real-time notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.